Minutes from downtown is the cherished neighborhood of Swansea. Renowned for magical green spaces and family-oriented convenience, this West Toronto community is always in demand.
Hi there, Rebecca Lang with RE/MAX Hallmark, coming to you from 160 Morningside Avenue in Swansea. Situated west of South Kingsway, this is where Morningside becomes a peaceful cul-de-sac of very special homes enveloped in an enchanted forest-like setting.
160 Morningside is notable for its 44-foot lot that goes back over 130 feet. Not only wide and deep, the property offers ample tableland for buyers inclined towards expansion or rebuilding. Inside is a traditional 1.5-story center hallway floor plan with spacious living and dining room. Sun-filled windows bathe these rooms with light and highlight woodwork accents. Upstairs features 2 bedrooms and a 4-piece bath, and the lower level has good ceiling height with nooks for crafts and hobbies. In the backyard, you'll find a detached garage, perennial gardens, patio areas, and a backdrop of soaring trees that ascend up the valley. Living in Swansea is easy and fulfilling. Bloor West shops and services are a mere 600 meters away, and the subway is walkable in 10 minutes. Motorists can be on the Gardiner in 3 minutes, and cyclists can be riding the Martin Goodman Trail within a couple of clicks. Swansea is most renowned for its abundance of parks and recreation. Whether it's paddling the Humber, trekking Hyde Park, engaging with community programs at Town Hall, or soaking up rays at Sunnyside, there are endless activities to enjoy.
This combination of convenience, exceptional community, tranquil setting, and quality of property doesn't come along often. You're not going to want to miss this one, so get in touch today to learn more.